Hello everyone, my name is Jesse, and today I want to show you a quick demonstration of ThousandEyes and how it can help you with service assurance. So let's dive right into the dashboard. So to give you a little background, in this scenario, we have three different offices, and one of our offices is complaining about Microsoft Office 365 being slow. And this is our Cincinnati office. So at first glance here at the dashboard, we can see in our service health summary that everything looks okay. So to investigate a little further, if we look at our response time by region, we see that one of our offices is red. This is the Cincinnati office, so that correlates with where our complaints are coming from. Just to give you a little background on Thousand Eyes and how this works, in each office, we have a Cisco Catalyst 9300 switch that is running the Thousand Eyes Enterprise Agent. And basically, what that is a vantage point. So the agent itself simulates a user going out to a website and doing a transaction. And then we record all of that data here in Thousand Eyes. So looking here again, once again, we have the Cincinnati office in red, indicating that we have some sort of issue there with our response time. If we scroll on down, we can see that the Cincinnati office has about double the time that we see from Portland and Dallas. Going down a little further in the customer experience by service box, you can see that we're monitoring three different applications. The one application in red happens to be Office 365. So let's dive in a little deeper. On this screen, we have a graph that shows transaction times over a period of time. And if we happen to notice here, our transaction times spike higher than normal. So to get a little more information, let's go down to our table. And we notice that the Cincinnati office is taking 22 seconds for our transaction time compared to 7.5 and 9.5 seconds in our other offices. So let's dive in deeper to our Cincinnati office. Thousand Eyes has a waterfall feature that shows us everything that happens during this transaction. And the first thing that sticks out to me here is this really long green bar. And if you look at this, we can see that we have over 12 seconds of wait time for this transaction. And if you're an end user, 12 seconds seems like a lifetime if you're waiting for something to load. So let's look to the left and see what this is. We can see the provider is Microsoft. And if we go one more column to the left, we can see this is actually Microsoft's authentication service. So when users are trying to log in to Office 365, the authentication service is taking 12 and a half seconds. So here we've identified that we have an issue with the application. It's on the Microsoft side in the cloud, but we don't know if our network is at fault as well. So to rule out the network as an issue, we can go back to the Network Overview tab. And here on the Network Overview tab, we can see that we had zero loss, good latency, good jitter. Everything looks green from our offices. And in our time graph here as well, you can see another example of just the zero loss. So in this instance, we've proven it's the application at fault and not the network. So what we can do is create a share link from ThousandEyes, and we can send that up to Microsoft in a support ticket, show them the issue that we're seeing from our end, and Microsoft support can hopefully help solve the issue for us since we've ruled out something on our network being the issue. Hope this has been informative for you. And if you guys would like to see more of Thousand Eyes, please reach out to your Cisco account team and they'd be more than happy to show it to you.